Wait for Missy.
Okay. Hold.
Thank you.
Hold.
Wait. Good boy. Good boy. Yay! I love you, Misty. She's like, oh, now we're peeing. Sorry.
Come on.
Good boy. Come on. Get down around. Come on. Nope.
No snack. Okay. Oh, he's not listening.
No, no, see, no, see, no, no.
No Ace.
Walk.
Walk, Ace.
Come on. Let's go, Ace. He's like, oh, what, please? It looks so delicious.
Delicious.
She needed a snack just like you.
Good job.
Okay, what's going on?
Get him back on the trail.
What's wrong?
Put Missy on the trail. That's right, pull the rein. Come on, Ace, walk. Pull up 3 times
Okay,
and
hold.
pull to your left. There you go. You got it. Little stinker. Doesn't realize he can take control. That's why I try not to let them stop.
Mm-hmm.
People. That's right. Get them on the dirt. That's right. Pull 3 times to the dirt. Good. Of course, Misty stopped too. She's watching us though. She's like, wait for me. Wait for me. She won't run forward though.
Mm-hmm.
If we were running, she would.
Yeah.
Come on, Ace. Head up. Pull his head up a little. Anyone started to do it right away. Good job. Come on. No, we're going this way. We're going this way. Wait, I don't want to. But we have to.
Okay.
Come on, girl. Come on, pretty girl. You're my only girl. Come on. I'm trying to slow it up because
Yeah,
I
slow
don't
down.
want to be too far out of their sight.
Mm-hmm.
Then they get weird. Okay. I swear, I try to tell people they're just like little kids because when you slow up, they'll stop back there.
Mm-hmm.
I'm like, no, keep walking forward. And then the people are like, well, I'm trying, but it's not moving. I'm like, I know. I know. I know. Come on, Misty. You got it. Good job. Okay, she likes this side better. But you're not going to get under that tree, so.
Yeah, be careful.
No, I mean this tree up here. So
Uh-huh.
she goes. All right.
No more snacks.
Step, step. Good boy.
So nice. You guys are doing great.
No.
I know they're doing great when they're correcting their horses. Good boy. Hello.
Oh, you got poop.
Okay. Yours.
No, no snack, no snack. No more. I know what he likes too, and we're all around him. He likes the yellow leaves.
He likes the yellow. They don't have that much water. Go for the green.
Mm-hmm.
Green has more water in it. Come on, Ace. What are you doing eating the yellow leaves, Nick?
No, no.
So just remember, relax going downhill, lean forward, uphill. Okay? You relax your shoulders and breathe that yoga breath. It's easier. After a while, you
Breathe in the horse poop and relax. Just breathe in the horse poop.
You're not a yellow leaf. You're here, bud. Okay, come on. Go this way. Hey, behave. I got some carrots for you. Good job. Oh, I love it down here. Can we just stay here forever?
See, if it's our horses, we could stay as long as we want.
I know. Sit, sit. Good boy. Good job.
Let's go, no. Misty, let's go. Come on, let's go.
Mr. C. You saw me watching Missy and then you went in and took a place. Come on.
Misty, let's go.
Walk, walk. See, I'd go after that grass.
I know Cosmo wants it.
Yeah.
He's like eyeing it.
Come on, Misty.
Cosmo's actually really good.
He is. He's being very.
He listens.
He likes the way you ride.
Like it's like a very gentle cue, and he follows right away. He moves right then and there.
Yeah.
Good
I
boy.
see them coming. So hopefully they still keep
A
coming.
little bit, so just be nice.
All right, good job. All right, we're gonna go down the little hill here. Okay. Just squeeze your legs and remember, relax your shoulders. Okay. Good sit. Good boy. Cosmo takes his own way. Okay, Cosmo. Come on, Ace. Come on. Good job. Good job. Good job, Glow. Sit, sit. Good boy.
Got it, baby. Relax your shoulder, not going down. Push your leg.
What's happened? I gotta watch. Okay, she got down. Sometimes he puts people in a tree over there. He's like, wait a minute, what's happening? All right, good job. Come on, Baldy, where are you?
Put your leg right
Honey,
in
you
the
gotta
belly.
pull him out of
A little
the,
bit.
yeah. Pull your left rein and kick with your right. Pull your left rein and left. I'm sorry, I'm backwards again. Oh my God. Pull your right rein and kick with your left. I'm looking at her backwards again. Oh my God.
Pull your head, baby. Nothing is bad. Pull your head.
Okay, but you gotta pull your right rein, because they're gonna hug the edge if they can to get grass and get out. Oh, good job. Keep pulling your right rein. I know they're forcing themselves to the left, but you can't be in the water all the way because it goes in the tube.
What's wrong?
Really torturing her. I can't, she's not close enough for me to help her because I can't see all the issues she's having.
She's constantly eating.
Yeah, no, I know, but it's because of her
She's,
hands.
yeah.
You know what to do already.
Pull your right rein and kick with your left. Pull your right. Pull 3 times. Pull. Cosmo, relax.
Let's go back and check on her. Cosmo. Come on, Cosmo. All right, pull your right and kick with your left. Pull it to your waist. Pull her up, her head up first. And kick her. There you go. Okay, and release the rein. Yeah.
You want some more?
Keep pulling your right rein to your hip.
Kick.
And kick. And pull. And kick.
Pull again. And release. And then kick. There you go.
You're gonna go again.
Yeah. Pull her. Pull her. Pull her out. Out of the food. And then kick.
Please pull harder. Okay, so reason why you're yanking all the way back, your hands are too loose. Okay? That's how he's getting away with this. You're gonna have to have them straighter at all times. Okay, so put your fingers down them more. Go down more. Okay, now pull them up. And pull to your right. See how that's a shorter pull?
Yeah.
Okay. So when you're walking along, shorten them even more.
Okay.
Okay, right now trying to shorten him, he's fighting you. But as we start walking, shorten him, because then you can, when he starts to move, you can yank.
Okay.
Okay? It's not you, he's being disobedient right now. Trust me, I've had horses that do it.
But he's moving again.
Tell him to walk. Walk.
Cosmo.
You gotta
Stop.
have a loud voice with him.
Walk.
Yes, and pull to your right. Good work. Good work. And Misty waited.
I know. Perfectly.
Good job, Misty. Usually, if I had to turn around, the whole ride turns around, they all go everywhere. Good job, Misty. You're doing fine. Now, run your, pull harder, and kick to the left. That's it. Okay, Misty,
Come on, Misty.
tighten up on your reins again. Keep them tight so he knows now you're the boss.
Yep.
Very frustrating when you get a horse that's trying to be disobedient.
I feel like it's just like once when you start with that horse, and if you let them do whatever they want, they're gonna be like that the whole ride.
That's why I try to tell people don't do this. Once they feel that they can get away with it,
Mhm.
then they'll keep going. Good job. keep pulling your right rein. Don't look back, because she feels you look back and he feels you look back, and they take advantage of their reins. They're super, super smart like that. That's a good picture. Okay, Cosmo. It's horrible. We fall in love with all.
Cosmo, stop. Cosmo, stop. Stay there, stay there.
Try to make it
Stop.
move if you can. Because why they're
Cosmo.
stuck, you just come across.
She's taking pictures.
Make sure you go under the tree.
Come on, boy.
See? What did I say? So pull your right rein again. Stop.
Stop.
Pull your right rein. So he's listening to you. Good. Not the left.
Stop.
All right. Don't let him get food. Pull up.
Pull it up harder.
Pull. That's it. Give him a kick and tell him to walk. Uphill. Pretend you're a jockey again. Heels down. Hold on to your horse.
Good job, Cosmo.
Good job. Excellent. She might cut up this hill. If she does, that's fine. She'll go whichever one she likes. Relax. Relax. You have to wait.
You're such a hype boy, Cosmo.
I know, when he gets himself
Full of
pumped up.
energy.
Good job. Good boy. All
Look at
right,
these
girl.
tails.
Very good. When they get in an area where they feel like they can take advantage of you.
Mm-hmm. I see. Oh my gosh, look at the colors over there. How
I know,
beautiful.
that's what I said, this is like October.
Beautiful.
I don't know why it changed so early.
I think I saw the rain. It's like making it like drop quicker.
I don't know. I'm thinking maybe because we had so much heat this summer
Mm-hmm.
that they're just dying out early.
Mm. Yeah, that makes sense.
Because this is like October colors. We had this for like...
October's like what? In 2 days? What is
Yeah,
today?
that's true.
Yeah, October's
We're like
coming.
the middle
Oh, look how
of
pretty
October.
that is.
And then
Last
it
week.
lasts for a week and then everything drops.
Yeah. Last week was pretty. Our video last week was nice. It's like,
Really?
oh my gosh, the colors, the leaves, it's beautiful.
So this is where those two boys were.
Yeah.
So I
That's
stopped
close.
them here, okay,
Wow.
right about this area, and I talked to them, and we talked, you know, very well. They were very respectful.
Mm.
Okay, no problem. Yeah, right around this area because they went into the woods there. And that's that open field too. And we got down here to where those moguls are.
Mm-hmm.
And that's when they shot the gun. We were still in eyesight.
Mm. Wow.
And then there was a runner coming and they shot the gun when she was coming.
Mm.
I was like,
Kids.
why? Yeah, kids, but you know, their parents aren't.
Irresponsible kids.
Yeah, and I'm
They shouldn't be having rifles with them, holding guns in their hand with her like that.
I know. I was thinking to myself, okay, at tops they're 17. Because I can't tell kids today look so much older. But probably they were 15.
Mm.
I don't know if I was a parent, you know, I'm not a hunter, so I don't know. But if I was a hunter parent, I wouldn't want my 15-year-old going out with a gun.
Yes,
I would just say, no.
without a guardian.
Even though I know you know how to hunt and I've taken you hunting,
Mm-hmm.
no, you're only 15. It's like saying, okay, we'll just drive the car.
It's like go to the bar and drink.
Oh yeah, we'll have a drink, it's okay. Look, the baby ducks
Yeah.
They
Oh, look at that. How
There's 4
cute.
of them.
There's a little one. A very tiny one.
Where's the tiny one? I
Wait, no, that's a leaf. What is it? Is that little white floater?
I was like,
You see?
yeah, you thought it
It looks
was. There's 4, but they're not that tiny. That's funny. Yay, Misty. So I could still see them.
Mm.
We got to here, and that's what they shot the gun. So all the horses started running, because I had there was 5 people on me.
Mm.
So I was already here. And the lady at the end who got hurt was the one that was riding like this. She knew how to ride. Okay. And I kept telling her, you need 2 hands on the reins at all times. But
Yeah, because you don't know what they do, you know. It's like horses.
Yeah.
They
You know,
have
this
their
is the way
mind of
I've
their
ridden all
own.
my life.
So all these roots is so pretty. It's weird how I just admire all these like natural nature
Oh, I
thingy.
know, I love it.
It's just gorgeous.
One time when I came through here, this was years ago,
Mm.
a turtle nest must have just all of them open. I didn't
Mm.
realize they all opened at the same time. It was like 5, 6 little baby turtles running for the creek.
Aw.
It was the cutest thing. I'm like, oh my god, look at all these turtles. You're such a good boy. You are. You're such a good boy. I always wonder what they think. Like, he's been with me for forever since he's come here, right?
Mm.
I didn't get to ride him when he was first here because he's my boss, so nobody rode him.
Yeah.
And then when I started riding him, but he's watched me like mature as a rider too, you know?
Yeah.
And he's become very comfortable with like listening to me and putting up with me turning around and doing
Yeah.
silly things. Right? You're a good boy. Good boy.
Yeah, maybe you should buy C.
Well, he would be the other horse that I would buy.
What else? Who else do you have in mind?
Well, if I buy C, I have to get Misty. Misty has to come with.
Oh, girl, it's the package.
Yeah. I couldn't separate them. That would break my heart.
But they're still gonna be here though, so it's not separating them.
Right, right. But if I do want to buy another one now so I can do videos,
Yeah.
then it would have to be Mr. C. Right, Mr. C? Yeah. Come on, Eagle. I haven't seen this Eagle. Did we see him at all last weekend?
Nope.
No, and I haven't seen him this weekend either. I'm wondering where he is. Oh, yesterday I saw 2 deer right in here.
Yeah.
You know where that little pulp?
Yeah, the little pond, little.
Yeah,
Mhm.
I was right over there, and then they jumped up the bank. Very rarely do I see them down here. So
Mm.
it's pretty cool.
They're hiding from hunters.
Yeah. I know.
This is the most gorgeous section right here.
I know.
This part.
I told you I had a wedding here, right?
Yes, you did.
That's so cool. When I think about it, like really.
This is perfect spot.
Mm-hmm.
Look at that.
Good job, Mr. C. So that ridge that we saw was up there.
Yes.
Not exact spot, but it was up
We were
around
up there.
The bend over there.
Uh-huh.
It was more towards where we were in the water.
Mm-hmm.
But there is a hiking trail on the side of that. I always say I'm going to go there, but I never get to. Okay, Cosmo, don't freak out about the blue balloon in the water.
Cosmo, let's just turn this way. I know you have that peripheral vision of 360 degrees,
Yeah.
but just ignore the blue. Just ignore it.
He seems like he's getting upset about it. We'll just come back.
Yeah, he'll be fine. He's got C in front of him. C is protecting him.
Come on, Misty. Misty, I don't want to go in the tree. Why'd you do that? Because I don't want to go in the water. What you do? Come on, Misty. At least it's down under a rock right now.
Mm-hmm. It's not like floating or moving, so
Yeah.
should be okay.
Oh boy, softer in the water, buddy. Softer in the water. Thank you. Good job.
It's a pretty section.
So pull through your hip bone and kick with your left. Good. Slow and hang on the edge so that it comes off. Okay? Good job. Thank you. Whoa. Good job, buddy.
Oh, hi.
How are you?
And I'm gonna ride a horse.
Yeah?
Yeah. You're gonna ride a horse?
Right.
Oh, light color one.
An all white? We do have an all white.
Look, the one back there.
Very, very big and beautiful.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. You mean like in Frozen? Did you see Frozen?
Misty.
Yeah, like that one? Oh,
Oh.
yeah. That's a beautiful horse. Yeah. He's almost all white.
That's kind of what I'm gonna ride.
Good. Good. I'm so glad.
Hi.
Hi.
What's behind you guys? I'm gonna ride one just like that.
Oh.
I love it. Have fun. Have a nice hike. Bye.
That is gorgeous. Look at that view. Oh my gosh.
Trying to get off here. Almost. There we go. All right, again. again. Going out by jockeys. Okay, hold on to the horn. Good boy. Squeeze your legs together so you sit in your seat. Good job. Good job, Mr.
Good job, Cosmo.
Yeah, it's so good. You went all through the water. Yeah. Good job, guys. I love that spot.
Mm-hmm.
I love the
It's like
other
the
spot for the
best.
cliff, and I love that spot for the
Mhm.
water.
So pretty. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I can't get it. Look how beautiful that is, Lee.
I know. It's all these little green flowers.
Mm-hmm.
Algae, I guess.
Yes, they're one of them. It's little floaters, like little green leaves. It's so
I
pretty.
know. You know what, another thing? There weren't a lot of frogs this year.
Mm.
Usually we have tons of lily pads and
Yeah.
big frogs, like you hear them. I only heard them a couple of times. So I'm wondering, because this algae, maybe the frogs moved to a different spot.
Yeah. Last week was more colorful, but then it's like, you know, they all have their own different beauty. Look at that. Oh my
know.
gosh. Isn't that breathtaking?
It looks like
Oh
you could
my
ice skate.
gosh. It's so pretty.
Stay on the dirt. Stay on the dirt, my man. You know this is private property. Try to be nice. Thank you. Good job. Good job. I always would like to live there, but then at night, no.
You get used to it.
I don't know. Stupid. Oh, it's because I live alone. If someone was home, I wouldn't be freaked out. And you'd have to move the washer and dryer upstairs and not go downstairs. You'd be like, no, not gonna. Oh, wait for your friends. I know. He's like, why? Why do you have to-
Frustrating, I know.
Come on, Misty.
Before they take the wrong route.
All right, we're going uphill. It's a little bit of a slant, not too much. Not like the other one. Boy. I swear, we used to scare people going up that other hill.
Yeah.
Everybody did. Good boy. Step over. Good job. Good job. Perfect. Perfect. Boy. Why is this stick in the middle of the road like that? Let's step on it. Good job. You're dragging it up.
Oh my gosh, see. Move inside.
Boy.
Move.
Come on, Misty. All right, down here you want to hang on the left.
Keep
Right here you want to be on the left.
keep to your left.
So make sure I point, because if I'm saying the wrong side,
My left, not your left.
I know it's terrible, because I turn around, I'm going, oh, you're left, and she's doing it, and I'm going, no, you're left. Oh, Mr. Jay. Oh, boy. That help?